Nairobi yangu, oh, Nairobi yangu, Nairobi yangu.
5,000 people applied. About 20% of them were shortlisted. But the people who managed, and we are giving letters today, is 226. So you are very among this, a very, very special group of people. Very, very talented, very, very passionate. So congratulations, and welcome to Nairobi City County. So in all, in a period of 6 months, we've employed 437 people in one department. And that's history, because these 437 have been employed in a period that the former city council had not employed anybody formally from 1998, which is 17 years ago. We've not had any formal recruitment. That's one. So it's history. Two, it is the history of this in this country since the evolution that a county number 47, which is Nairobi City County, has recruited the highest number of people at any given time, which is 437 in one department. But also it's history because, and I think the chairman of the Public Service Board wanted to make a point, that the number of people, the people who've been recruited is the face of Kenya. Because you get people starting from Isebania, and you saw the good lady from there, all the way to Mandera, if you go across. So this recruitment is the face of Kenya, and rightfully so. Rightfully so, because all the communities live in Nairobi, and every Kenyan has a right to be given an opportunity. I'm quite aware that what we've done is but a small part of what needs to be done, because as much as that we have 13,000 employees and 3,000 of those employees work in the health department, but there's still a big gap of nearly 2,000 people. Also, you'll appreciate that out of our annual budget of 31 billion shillings, we dedicate 27%, which is close to 27%, which is close to 8 billion to our health. I'm also aware that we have pressure for you to start work immediately, and I'm sure you've been requested that you need to report by October 1st, but I want to urge you, if you can report earlier even today, please do. As part of Nairobi City County Public Service, I would like also to draw your attention, and the chairman did quite a bit of that, to the national values and principles as envisaged in Article 10 and 232 of our Constitution, and urge you to uphold them in their entirety, and as they are the bedrock of sustainable service to our people, hence development. The appointments that we made today are a good example of the implementation of these values. That's why you're the face of Kenya. That's why the appointment has the minorities. That's why the appointment has both women and men. And that's why the appointment also has taken into account people with disabilities.